Hi, this is Alex Maines with an Audio Precision Quick Tip. In this quick tip, we're going to look at specifying data points and exporting data to an Excel file. We'll start with a frequency response measurement. We will then select the Append Graph Data checkbox and take a second measurement. After we make the sweeps, we'll open the data grid and look at the data points. You'll see the X and Y data points for both channels in a grid display. You can scroll from low frequency to high frequency points like this. With this grid, by default, there are about 680 X values and their Y data shown. This is the number of points used on the APX graph. Notice that the points menu is set to same as graph. You can choose fewer points or all points, which shows every point acquired. In this case, there are about 4,200 X values. The graph is currently showing the results from the first measurement. Since there were multiple measurements and the Append Graph Data checkbox was selected, data from multiple measurements were retained. You can view the results for each measurement by selecting them in the Data Set menu. The first page shows the data for the first result, RMS level. You can view the other measurement results on tabbed pages. You can also export this data to an external file so that it can be imported into compatible APX measurements or into third-party tools for further evaluation. To export data, click the Export button and choose which results to export. The number of data points, which data sets to include, and which channels you are interested in. Save the data in one of three formats: as an Excel spreadsheet file, a CSV file, or a MATLAB file. Once it is saved, the data is then available for use in compatible APX measurements or in third-party tools. Look for other quick tips at ap.com, and thanks for watching.